We are very excited and honored to be asked by the Vietnamese Chamber of Commerce and the Centerville Presbyterian Church to come here and perform for you. I am the last act of the evening and a little bit nervous. I haven't performed like this in a while, but they wanted me to come and do something. One of the things that's important in our program, in our training program for actors and singers and performers, is diction and learning how to speak with good articulation. So I took this opportunity to share with my students what it looks like when you have really good diction, I hope. So I'm about to perform the Modern Major General from Gilbert and Sullivan's Pirates of Penzance. I am the very model of a modern major general. I've information, vegetable, animal, and mineral. I know the kings of England and I quote the fights historical from Marathon to Waterloo and order categorically. I am very well mathematical. I understand equations both the simple and quadratical. About my new field and I'm tingling with a lot of news. With many triple facts about the square of the hypotenuse. I'm very good at integral and differential calculus. I know the scientific names of beings and immaculous. In short and matters, vegetable, animal, and mineral. I am the very model of a modern major general. I know I'm the thickest speaking authors and paradox. I've answered hot acrostics. I've a pretty taste for paradox. I quote in elegiacs all the crimes of heliogamics. In conics I can flow peculiarities, paradoxus. I can tell about the Pompeios from Pterodactyls Ophanes. I know the working chorus to the thoughts of Aristophanes, and I can hum a fugue of which I've heard the music of dinner for. And whistle all the years with that infernal nonsense dinner for. Then I can write a washing bill in Babylonic cuneiform and tell you every detail from Caractacus's uniform. In short and matters, vegetable, animal, and mineral. I am the very model of a modern major general. In fact, when I know what is meant by mamelon and ravelry, then I can tell in sight a Mauser rifle from a javelin. In such affairs as sorties and surprises, I'm more wary at. And when I know precisely what is meant by commissariat. When I have learned that progress has been made in modern gunnery. When I know more of tactics than a novice in a nunnery. In short, when I've a smattering of elemental strategy. You'll say a better major general has never sat at sea. That means rode a horse. For my military knowledge, though I'm plucky and adventury, has only been brought down at the beginning of the century. In short and matters, vegetable, animal, and mineral, I am the very model of a modern major general.